Hello everyone, today we are in Lajatico and we are going to see a wonderful farmhouse, 700 square meters surrounded by 4 hectares in need of a full restoration with private well, always full of water. This is the wonderful view all around the private hill. So this is the main access. A first room here. And another room on this other side. They are all almost the same. So let's go to see the first floor, where there are lots of room and plenty of space to host friends or the first room here, which I guess used to be the kitchen. Lots of history in this house. So in the first part, we have 3 bedrooms here. First one, the second one here, the bathroom, and the last bedroom. Back in the central area, another room here. And we are facing north here. Okay. In the left side, we have almost the same. 1, 2, 3 bedrooms. So the huge one here, facing south. A medium bedroom here. Another bathroom. They used to build very small bathroom before. And the last bedroom. Everything needs, as said, a massive restoration. So be prepared